Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do whenever your US Bank login is not working. If you're trying to log in to your usbank.com online banking account but you are not being able to log in, then there are some fixes you could try to follow. The first thing to do is to make sure that you've selected the correct account type that you are entering the credentials for, and then make sure to type in the correct username in the username text box. If you're typing the incorrect username, then you won't be able to get inside your account. So make sure to type in the correct one. On the next field, type in your password correct as well. If you're still not being able to log in, even if you've typed in the correct credentials, then the next thing to do is to get login help. Click on the get login help button under login and follow the on-screen prompts. Enter your username or your personal ID on the next page and click continue. Follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After you reset to a new password, try logging in by entering the same password that you just reset to, including your user ID, and see if that fixes the issue. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to do is to check if your device is connected to a stable internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or try switching between a different Wi-Fi if available. And once your device is connected to a stable internet, try logging in again and see if that fixes the issue. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to do is to try clearing your browser cache. Click the three dots at the top right and click on Settings. From the Settings menu, click on Privacy, Search and Services. Scroll down and click on Choose What to Clear right next to Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to check these two boxes that says Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Remember that clearing your cookies and other site data will sign you out of most of the sites that you are logged in with this web browser. Make sure that you remember your credentials to get back to your site again. And now, after checking two of these boxes, click Clear Now. After clearing your browser data, go back to the login area for US Bank and see if that fixes the issue by logging in again. If you've enabled any security software, then make sure to disable them. Sometimes, you might not be able to log into your online banking account if you've enabled any antivirus programs or other security softwares. If nothing else works out, you can go ahead and contact the customer support for US Bank. Click on the support button at the top right and go ahead and type in your problem into the customer service portal. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to log into your US Bank online account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.